Okay, so we're gonna do a layered cut for my client, who has been my client for very long because she's trusting me and doing this. So yeah, and I'm gonna be blindfolded.
Yeah, she's going to be blindfolded, and with me, it's about trusting my instincts with her and being absolutely vulnerable. And this is very exciting and scary, but it is a super experience right now. I wanted to take this up as to see how brave I am. I think we both are in that aspect. So she will be doing the styling later without the blindfolds because obviously we don't want to burn our scalp with the blow dryer and stuff.
All the best, ma'am.
Thank you. In silence.
Okay.
Actually, maybe you can guide me through.
All right.
Maybe
Yeah.
tell me
Yeah.
the partings are okay.
Right.
Is it
Right.
in the center?
Yeah, we can do that. I
Is the
think
parting
so.
in the center?
You can take the comb a little more in the front. Yeah, it is in the center. Oh wow! And that's a super straight parting.
This will take much longer.
Yeah, and my trust factor. So I think I have that with you.
Thank you. I hope it stays after this.
No, it'll stay. Don't worry. You started doing your haircut since like when? You were 17? 17, 18 sorts?
Yeah, I started when I was 18, so probably right from the start.
Yeah, right from the start. And I've been to tons of people for my blow dry and stuff. They do an okay job, but with her, I know that it's just going to turn out well. So even when I come here, I primarily ask for her.
Thank you for believing. So my brief for the haircut is to not go very short
Yeah.
and just layer it a bit.
Yeah, and that's again my call. I don't want to go very short because I have naturally curly hair which tends to frizz out a lot. And on her suggestion, I've been trying to maintain the curls and keep the curls.
I'm trying to figure the sectioning at the back because if my
Is it
sections
okay?
are too big, then I'll end up layering it too much.
Cutting
I'm
okay?
literally also closing my eyes. Can you just see everyone? That's the least. It start with at least the right section. Is it okay? Yeah. I mean, it can't be perfect, but it's okay.
It is so surreal that yeah, and my heart is not counting, which I have.
Mine is someone says. So just about how much did I cut at the bottom, right? Okay, I can't see, but you can see. Is this okay?
A little more, little more.
First,
First
time. I'm not worried about cutting my finger. I'm just worried about what I'm cutting. Fingers we cut even with our eyes open. So much silence.
You know, everybody is moving up the stairs to see where exactly it is going.
This takes so long. I would have finished my whole life.
Yeah, so that actually also shows that building trust takes long.
Yes, that's true. I'm in the center, right?
No, you
Can
have
move
to.
a little towards your
Yeah.
a little, yeah, perfect. Yeah, yeah.
I didn't think this through. How am I going to see my life when I can't see anything? Is your hair down?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is. So she's actually kind of feeling the hair and cutting it. Oh, that's nice. I'm actually liking the way you're checking it out.
So normally you can just see that and you follow that and do the
Yeah.
haircut right now. I can't see anything.
Yeah, so you're actually like feeling.
Yeah. I'm using sense of touch.
Yeah.
Sorry. Where are you?
Sure, that's all.
I think only a hairdresser would someone understand what I'm doing if they are watching this video.
I think we both are pretty brave in that manner.
I still have to say you're braver. I can't sorry in my hand.
No, but you know, you could have taken the decision. No, I don't do
Not
that. Yeah.
Oh my god, staying forever. Correcting my haircut like this.
I've been to a lot of places, right from Juice to Be Blunt in Bombay to Lakme to Taj to other salons. But even with my blow drying, I've never had this kind of a trust with anybody. So, same thing that also shows that you know other sensory perceptions are
Like one
equally
of your senses,
important.
which they say, right? So if there's
And
any
they're equally important.
physically
And
impaired person, their other senses are way more stronger
Stronger
than
and
ours
sharper,
and compared to us.
yeah.
Your
And we
left side
dismiss-
is yeah,
Too big?
this side is big, that side
That
is
side is small.
That's what
So I'm kind of guiding her also, which also shows her trust in me.
usually your collie has all found that the layers too strong.
Yeah.
So it's just going to be like a
Like a nest later.
yeah.
An unkempt nest.
Never had my scissors before.
Why weirdly?
As in while I'm cutting it,
Yeah,
it's
right.
catching me tight. Otherwise, normally, like if
Yeah,
you see what you're
right,
cutting, so
right.
it's catching it very freely and at the tip of your fingers. Like I usually just cut it like this, so right now I'm deliberately.
Deliberately holding it hard. Yours
Am I in the
first.
center?
Yeah.
Is your
No,
head-
towards a little left. Yeah. Yeah. You're in the center.
Your head is straight, no?
Yeah. I actually like what's happening. The entire
You see
process.
me evolve now. Slowly I'm getting a hang of it.
No, and the thing is, I guess when you're having fun, no, things pan out well.
Yeah, that's true. I'm sweating myself. I know this one. Oh, seems good.
Oh, nice. Now it's a little off.
It's more here, no?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
that's it. I should take that.
Oh wow, I like that.
Hey.
Cutting it with your eyes.
Actually, that's easier.
Oh, okay.
Like, as long as I know what I'm sliding.
Oh. You be careful with your fingers. I am scared. Babe.
Okay.
I think it's good. Yeah, you can. Little sun be coming out of the dark.
Not impressed. I could have actually felt it, but I couldn't see. It just like cut the ends a little bit, like shorter. I'm definitely gonna texturize it because curly I need
It's suddenly like a fast forward thing happening from slow mo to fast forward.
that. Just like I'm losing my slow exercise.